Hey everyone, it's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It, and as you can see, we got the 6x6 upside down on the bench, and we're gonna do this Husky Link. This is the Club 5 Racing Crawler Central. Let me see if I get that in there. There you go, CTR6001, and there's the code for it. Just go to Club 5 Racing. They got a bunch of stuff there for it. So I just laid it out. It's pretty easy. It comes in the links come in 4 different baggies. So I just lined up my links here. This is the back, here's the middle, and then let's see, this is going to be the front with the 1-3 link, and then this will be panhard, steering link, and servo link. So we got all that going on today. It's no big deal. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's really no big deal, and I'd rather do some run time with this because we added the brass and all that. Just line all your stuff up, all your ends and all that. There's 3 different ends. You have these ends here with the little bit of an angle to it, and then you have these which have a little bit of a curve to them, and then you have straight ones. You have 3 different pivot balls. I assume the 3 bigger ones go in these links, all the rest go in all the other links. So we're just gonna go ahead and get all that dialed in, and then like I said, the links, it's pretty easy to do. You just lay them out where they go and put your link ends on and put the screws back in. So I'm not gonna waste anybody's time with all that. So let's just go ahead and install it, and then we'll take it out on the trail and see how it does. All right, the Husky Link is all on. I did have one issue. Everything was good. When I put my panhard on, I don't know if you can see this down here. See if I can't get a shot of this. My panhard, when it came up, it was hitting see the link for the 3rd link right there. When it's getting compressed, it was hitting. So what I did to remedy this was back down in there. I don't know if you can see. Let me get my little pointer. Back down in here, there's that little white washer. It's just a little plastic spacer that I put in there. That way, whenever it does compress down, everything clears the way it should, and there's no binding or anything like that. So, all right, so let's get it out on the trail. Let's not waste any time. Let's do it. I know I said I was building this thing for the trail, but man, I found these rocks over here at the library. I can't resist. I had to come over here. All right, here we go. You can barely see it down here in the bottom right-hand corner, down there. It's a nice little incline. I don't think I've had this thing out on the rocks like this. I'd imagine it's gonna come right up at no problem. Try that other path over there. It's a little steeper over there on the other side. See if we can't go up that. Ooh. Sorry about the highway noise in the back. And she gets stopped. There she goes. Couple more climbs and I'm out of here. Oh, phone almost fell. It's a nice climb. Kind of surprised it came up that. Nice climb. Feels good. Alright, I don't expect it to do too much here, but we'll see. You never know. Oh, snap. Come on, girl. She's trying. Trying, but I just don't know it's gonna do it. I'll move over a little bit closer to us, see if that makes any difference. It's got that coating on the rock. Making everything slippery. Just not gonna do it. A little bit of speed might get us up there. Oh yeah, speed did it. Nice. Does good. I like it. I just need to get out and do some more trail runs. So it does good. There's your Husky Link in the sun, looking all bling bling, beautiful. All right, hopefully you can hear me over the traffic, but that's it for today. That's it. It's just the Husky Link for the TRX6. Next video with the TRX6 will be the, I have that Castle combo, the Mamba X and the 2850 that we're gonna put in. And then when we do that, we're gonna add that Reefs Raw 500. And should pretty much be done at that point. I mean, a little bit of this and that, but other than that, it's good. All right, everybody, you know what it is saying. Be good to people and people be good to you. Ben, out.